friends, it's Rian. I'm going to read a story, Tiger on a Tree by Anushka Ravishankar. Tiger, tiger on the shore. Does he want to go across? Make a dash. Be bold, be rash. Splash! Tiger, tiger going far. Bah! Yeah! This tree is the only place to be. Tiger, tiger on a tree. Tiger on a tree. Rubbish cannot be. It's true. I saw it too. Now what to do? Get him, net him, tie him tight. Will he bite? He might. Shoo him, boo him, make him jump. Dum duma, dum dum. Thump. He's caught. He's got. Now what? Send him to the zoo. Stick him up with glue. Paint him an electric blue. I know. Set him free. Free? Yes, we agree. Let him go. So, tiger, tiger on the shore.